Consciousness oscillations refer to the rhythmic, synchronized electrical activity in the brain that underlies our awareness, thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. These oscillations, known as brainwaves, are not just background noise. They are the dynamic patterns through which the brain processes information, integrates sensory input, and generates the unified experience we call consciousness. From deep sleep to focused attention, every state of consciousness is associated with a distinct oscillatory signature. Understanding these patterns offers profound insights into how the brain works and how consciousness emerges from its neural architecture. Part 1. The Science of Brain Oscillations 1. The Origins of Brainwave Research. The study of brain oscillations began in 1924 when German psychiatrist Hans Berger recorded the first human electroencephalogram, EEG. This groundbreaking discovery revealed that the brain produces rhythmic electrical activity, which could be measured and categorized by frequency. Since then, neuroscientists have identified 5 primary types of brainwaves. Wave-type frequency range associated state delta, 0.5 to 4 Hz deep sleep, unconsciousness, theta, 4 to 8 Hz meditation, creativity, light sleep alpha, 8 to 13 Hz relaxed alertness, calm focus beta, 13 to 30 Hz active thinking, problem solving gamma, 30 to 100 Hz high-level cognition, unity of consciousness. Each wave type plays a distinct role in shaping our mental and emotional states. To point to oscillations and neural synchrony. Brain oscillations are generated by the coordinated firing of neurons, often regulated by the thalamocortical circuitry relay system between the thalamus and the cerebral cortex. This synchrony allows different regions of the brain to communicate efficiently, integrating sensory input, memory, and emotion into a coherent experience. Think of it as a neural symphony. Each brain region is an instrument, and oscillations are the rhythm that keeps them in harmony. Part 2. Oscillations and states of consciousness. 1. Sleep and dreaming. During sleep, consciousness undergoes dramatic shifts, guided by oscillatory patterns. Delta waves dominate deep sleep, facilitating physical restoration and memory consolidation. Theta waves emerge during REM sleep and dreaming, linked to emotional processing and subconscious exploration. These oscillations help the brain reset, reorganize, and prepare for waking consciousness. 2. Meditation and altered states. Meditative practices often induce alpha and theta waves, associated with relaxation, introspection, and heightened awareness. Advanced meditators may even access gamma states, which correlate with feelings of unity, compassion, and transcendence. Studies show that long-term meditation can alter baseline oscillatory patterns, enhancing emotional regulation and cognitive flexibility. 3. Attention and cognitive processing. RU. When we're focused, solving problems, or engaging in conversation, beta waves dominate. These fast oscillations support active thinking, decision-making, and sensory processing. Meanwhile, gamma waves, the fastest and most mysterious, are linked to high-level integration across brain regions. Some researchers believe gamma synchrony may be the key to the unity of consciousness, allowing us to experience a seamless sense of self and reality. Part 3. Oscillations and the emergence of consciousness. 1. Developmental perspectives in early development. Spontaneous oscillations play a crucial role in shaping the brain. Even before birth, rhythmic electrical activity helps organize neural circuits and guide motor development. In rat pups, popcorn movements, random twitches, generate feedback through the thalamocortical system, helping the brain learn to interpret sensory input and build a sense of self. 2. Movement and consciousness. Recent research suggests that movement may be inseparable from consciousness. Voluntary and involuntary actions generate oscillatory feedback that integrates with the default mode network, shaping our awareness of the body and environment. Movement, oscillations, and consciousness form a triad, each influencing and reinforcing the others. Part 4. Disruptions in oscillatory patterns. 1. Epilepsy and seizures. Epilepsy is a dramatic example of disrupted brain oscillations. During a seizure, large groups of neurons fire in an abnormally synchronized manner, creating a chaotic oscillatory storm. Understanding these patterns could lead to better prediction and control of seizures, and deeper insights into how normal oscillations support consciousness. 2. Mental health and oscillatory imbalance. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia are often associated with abnormal oscillatory activity. For example, reduced alpha activity may correlate with anxiety. Disrupted gamma synchrony may impair cognitive integration in schizophrenia. Neurofeedback and brain stimulation therapies aim to restore healthy oscillatory balance, improving mood and cognition. Part 5. Philosophical and metaphysical implications. 1. Unity of consciousness. One of the great mysteries of neuroscience is how the brain creates a unified experience from countless inputs. Oscillations may be the answer. The dynamics of oscillations could underlie the mechanisms of unity of consciousness. Clearman's 2003 gamma synchrony, in particular, may bind together sensory data, memories, and emotions into a coherent whole. 2. Consciousness as a field. Some theorists propose that consciousness is not confined to the brain, but is a field-like phenomenon similar to electromagnetism. Oscillations may act as tuning mechanisms, allowing the brain to receive or generate conscious experience. While speculative, this view aligns with spiritual traditions that see consciousness as fundamental and universal. Part 6. Applications and future research. 1. Brain-computer interfaces. BC is BO. Decoding oscillatory patterns. BCs can translate thoughts into actions, allowing users to control devices with their minds. This technology has profound implications for medicine, communication, and even virtual reality. 2. Neurofeedback and cognitive enhancement. Neurofeedback trains individuals to modulate their brainwaves, improving focus, emotional regulation, and sleep. It's used in therapy, education, and peak performance training. 3. Artificial intelligence and consciousness modeling. AI researchers are exploring oscillatory dynamics to model consciousness in machines. By mimicking neural rhythms, future systems may achieve more human-like awareness and adaptability. Conclusion. The pulse of awareness consciousness oscillations are the heartbeat of the mind, a rhythmic dance of neurons that shapes every thought, feeling, and experience, from sleep to enlightenment. These patterns guide our journey through the inner and outer worlds. As science continues to unravel the mysteries of brain rhythms, we move closer to understanding not just how we think, but what it means to be conscious at all.